In this video, I will show you how to fix Apex Legends crashing or freezing PC. If Apex Legends keep crashing or freezing on your PC, here are some effective fixes that you can do. So before we get started with the video, please don't forget to check out the links in the description for bonuses and resources we share with our viewers. So the first thing that you can do is to verify your game files. So you'll need to open Steam or Origin and then go to Apex Legends and then select verify integrity of game files. Now if you don't have that, another thing you can do is to disable full screen optimization. So to be able to do that, you'll need to go ahead and right click on Apex Legends and then click on properties. And then from here, go ahead and click on compatibility. Now under compatibility, you'll need to check disable full screen optimizations. Now after you do that, you'll need to click on that apply button at the bottom right of the pop-up to be able to apply this. Now if this doesn't work, another thing you can do is to adjust your firewall and antivirus setting. So you'll need to open your firewall or antivirus application and then ensure that Apex Legends is allowed through your firewall and antivirus. And that's basically how you can fix Apex Legends crashing or freezing on PC. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. Also, don't forget to check out the links in the description for bonuses and resources we share with our viewers. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.